Hey guys, go back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix Twitter not allowing you to delete posts. So sometimes what happens that Twitter is working, but sometimes that you can't delete any post that you have posted. So what happens is there might be some problems. So let's just get started to how to fix that problem. So firstly, what you can do is just go to down detector option, in the new browser, and then just go with the first link and all the way down here you can see X Twitter. Just go with that, and firstly just check the status of the Twitter, that if the servers are working fine, is there any problem. So right now it says user reports indicate no current problem at X Twitter. So sometimes what happens, it says that user reports indicates there are some problem at X Twitter, so that means that the server is down and it's not working. So that might be one problem and you have to wait for that to fix. So another one, what you can do is just refresh your account, refresh your browser like this, refresh it, or if you are in the mobile phone app, just update the app. There might be some updates, or you can even update your browser. Like this time I'm using Google Chrome, so you might be updating your Google Chrome. Another one, what you can do is you can just go over here and then go to setting and privacy, and then all the way down go to help center, and then just you can contact or search, or let's say contact your, over here right on top corner you can contact with Twitter and say about your problem. Or what you can do is, last tip, you can also check your connections, internet connection, is internet working fine or not. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.